Hello subscribers, I'm HongBARI. Today I'm gonna be a chef. I want you to enjoy self-quarantine with Korean noodle. We call it ramen. Ta-da! Wow! So I'm gonna cook the instant noodle. I'll show you how real Korean cook Korean noodle. I'm gonna make it a little bit special with some more ingredients. Let me tell you the ingredients first. Give me a second. Right, everything ready? So I prepared, of course, ramen, Korean instant noodle. We call it tangmyeon. 550 water, 1 egg. Easy. 3-4 pieces of garlic. Fish cake is 1 slice enough. And spring onion, 1 piece enough. Alright, it's time to cook. Come with me, go for it. Fire on. You know what this one is? This is vinegar. I forgot to tell you guys. I'm gonna put 1 drop of it. 1 drop of vinegar. Very important for me. Just 1 drop. I put the noodle. The soup powder. The garlic this time. Give them a little bit of stir. Eggs in. When it's almost ready, you know, at the end of the cook, fish cake, the spring onion, everything ready, I guess. Done. It's time to eat. You know, when I make it like that, I don't really need kimchi because the taste is very perfect with a kimchi. So let me try. Give it a stir. Oh my god. I like the garlic flavor. Let me try some noodle with fish cake. It's up to you. If you don't like fish cake, you don't have to put it. But I really like the fish cake. Sweetness from the fish cake is so yummy. And even it's not too soft right now, texture very perfect. And you can still feel the texture of spring onion as well, because I put them at the end of cook. I still keep the shape, right? Egg tastes always healthy. This is the best recipe ever. My dad is making Korean instant noodle in this way. That's why I started to put some more ingredients. The more you put, it's getting yummier. Let me try. Oh, done. Oh, very full. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Woo! Thank you guys.